All right, Chapter 3, Lesson 11, we are adding and subtracting money. We're going to use our cube strategy because these are problem solving. So here we go. Get rid of this guy. Come on. All right. At the end of the May, Miss Freeman had an account balance of $442.37. Since then, she has written a check for $63.92 and made a deposit of $350. Miss Freeman says she has $729.45 in her account. Is Miss Freeman correct? All right, we are going to need to know this number. We're going to need to know this number. We're going to need to know this number. And we're going to compare that number. Now, quick little thing we talked about today was, what is a balance? Well, your account balance is how much is in the bank. Okay? We have a written check. That's a withdrawal. That means there's money coming out of your account. And then there's something called a deposit. A deposit means we are adding money. So, withdrawal minus deposit add. So we are going to find out. We're going to know that Miss Freeman had $442.37. She wrote a check, which means it was a withdrawal. So we're going to take away $63.92. 7 minus 2 is 5. I can't take 9 away from 3. 13 take away 9 is 4. Can't take 3 away from 1. 11 take away 3 is 8. I can't take 6 away from 3. 13 take away 6 is 7 and 3. So I have $378.45 after I wrote that check. Now, she made a deposit of $350. So that is an addition. So we're going to write $350. I get 5 and 4. 8, 12, carry the 1, 3, 6, 7. So my total here is $728.48. So in comparing that to $729, Miss Freeman is not correct. Nope, she is not. All right. Nick is buying juice for himself and 5 friends. Each bottle of juice costs $1.25. How much do 6 bottles of juice cost? Well, each bottle of juice is $1.25. I need 6 bottles. Okay. How much cost? And we're going to put this one here because we kind of want to figure out how we got that number 6. Okay. So our question becomes, how much does 6 bottles of juice cost? Well, if we're going to do it, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I did that before too. I hear that 6 and I write a 6. 1.25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Carry the 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Carry the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for him to buy juice for him and his buddies, it's going to cost $7.50. All right, Sarah decides to buy a bottle of water, which costs $1.85. She has 2 $1 bills, 5 quarters, 2 dimes, and 2 nickels. What are all the ways she can make exactly $1.85? So we know her bottle of water costs $1.85. She has 2 $1 bills, 5 quarters, 2 dimes, and 2 nickels. What are all the ways she can make exactly $1.85? What are all the ways she can make exactly with the bills and coins? All right, so I'm going to make this picture. I've got $1. I've got $1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 5 quarters. Oops. I have 2 dimes, and I have 2 nickels. So how can I make $1.85 for each one? There's 2 ways to do it. The first one is I'm going to add $1, and then I have 25, 50, 75. And then the first one I'm going to say I have a dime, $1.85. Option number 2, I'm going to use $1, and I'm going to use 1, 2, 3. So there's 25, 50, 75, and then I'm going to use a nickel gives me 80, and another nickel gives me 85. So my 2 ways to make $1.85 are right there. All right, so now we're going to talk about at open skate night. Admission is $3.75 with a membership card. $5 without a membership card. Skate rentals are $3. So here we go. Aiden paid for admission for himself and 2 friends at open skate night. Aiden had a membership card, but his friends did not. Aiden paid with a $20 bill. How much change should Aiden receive? So, first of all, we're going to look here. He paid for skating. He has a membership card. His friends don't have a membership card. Now, we talked about cubes and we talked about the eliminate. Well, here's the best part. The blue eliminate, we don't need to know about skate rentals. We're going to get rid of that. So, we are going to see if Aiden paid with a $20 bill, how much change will he receive? So, what do we need to know? Aiden is paying for himself and 2 friends. Aiden has a membership card. His friends did not. Okay, so how much change should Aiden receive? So the first thing we got to do is how much is it going to cost them all to get in? So for Aiden, because he has his membership card, $3.75. He has 2 friends that have to pay $5 each to get in. I get 5, I get 7, I get 10, 13. So it's going to cost $13.75 for all the boys to get in. Now, it says he paid with a $20 bill. 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 7 is 2. 9 take away 3 is 6. So he is going to get $6.25 back that he can use at the snack bar. Whoop, whoop. All right. An open skate night again. Admission is $3.75 with a membership card. $5 without a membership card. And skate rentals are $3. So this time, Sean and Hope are going to go skating. Each of them have a membership card for open skate night. Sean has his own skates, but Hope will have to rent skates. Sean gives the clerk $15 for their admission and skate rental. How much change should he get? Well, let's go back up to the top again. They both have a membership card. Excuse me. Sean has skates, but Hope doesn't. So this time, with our good old eliminate, we don't need to worry about $5 without a membership. We don't need that number, so we're just going to get rid of it. So Sean and Hope each have a membership card for open skates. Sean has his own skates. Hope will have to rent skates. Okay? He gave the clerk $15 for their admission and skate rental. How much change? How much change should he receive? And we also need to circle it's 15. So, they both paid $3.75 to get in to open skate night. It cost $3 for Hope's skates. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. 3, 6, 9, 10, 50. We're not done yet because Sean paid with $15. Their total was $10.50. So he's going to have some change for the snack bar as well. 0 minus 0 is 0. We're going to take 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 take away 0 is 4. So Sean's going to have $4.50 to use at the snack bar. All right. So this was our homework for the night. We had page 217, 2, 3, 4, 5, and page 218, 1 and 2. Number 2 on page 218 is a tough, challenging question. Okay? I told the kiddos that I would tell them how to do it in this video. So, we're going to look at it real quick here. All right. Elise paid for her sandwich and drink with a $10 bill and received 63 cents in change. The sandwich was $7.75. Sales tax was 47 cents. What was the cost of her drink? All right. So the first thing we got to do is figure out how much her total bill was. So what we need to do is we need to take $10 and she received 63 cents change. So to find out what the total was, we have to figure out what 10 take away 63 cents is. Okay, so we get there, 9. 10 take away 3 is 7. 9 take away 6 is 3. 9 take away 0. So her total bill was $9.37. So this is for her drink and her sandwich. Now, we're going to come over here and we're going to see that her sandwich was $7.75. And the sales tax was 47 cents. $7.75. So we're going to add that sales tax in there. And we get 12 and 12. And I get $8.22. Okay? So now, what I need to figure out is how much is the difference. Because our red numbers here, this is the total. This is the cost of our sandwich right here. So we're going to take the difference. $9.37. Take away $8.22. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is going to give us the price of our drink. Is right here. So you will have to figure that part out. All right. Hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.